Hello everybody, it's Mehran and you're here at VetNeon, where we're gonna shed neon light on the captivating world of animal medicine, biology, behavior, breeds, etc. Together we're gonna explore the fascinating topics and share insights to help you become a more informed and responsible pet owner. Stay with me. In today's video, I'm gonna share some valuable tips and advice on how to ensure your beloved pet live longer, happier, and healthier. I'm gonna uncover the secrets to promoting the longevity in our furry friends and provide you with the knowledge you need to give them the best care possible. So stay tuned, I'll be back soon. Wouldn't it be amazing if our pets could live forever? Well, science hasn't cracked immortality yet, but we're getting closer to extending their lifespan. In this video, I'll reveal vet-approved secrets to help your pet live longer, healthier, and happier, including some cutting-edge longevity supplements that could add years to their life. Let's get it started. When it comes to longevity, the best thing that you can do for your pet is to focus on three key areas: diet, exercise, and preventive vet care. Let's break them down. A balanced diet is the foundation of longevity. Highly processed kibble, not ideal. Fresh whole food diets with lean proteins, omega-3s, and antioxidants, much better. Think of it like this: good food fuels good health. A daily walk or play session does wonders. Even senior pets need movement. It keeps their joints healthy and prevents obesity, which is a major lifespan reducer. And don't skip those vet visits. Regular blood work, dental cleanings, and early disease detection can add years to your pet's life. Okay, now let's talk about superfoods and supplements that can help to extend your pet's lifespan. Please pay attention. These are not just trends. Many of these has scientific backing. So let's get started. Omega-3 and antioxidants. These are great for reducing inflammation and keeping your pet's brain sharp. So don't forget them. Turmeric and curcumin. These are natural anti-inflammatories that can help slow aging. Collagen and glucosamine. They are for strong joints and mobility as they age. Pro and prebiotics. Don't forget, gut health is directly linked to longevity. And there are several emerging scientific papers backing the important role of these probiotics and prebiotics in the health of different organs and the longevity. So don't forget the microbiota. Okay, adding these supplements to your pet's diet will definitely significantly increase their health span and lifespan. But wait until you hear about the future of the supplements, longevity supplements. Exosomes are tiny cellular messengers that help repair damaged cells, reduce inflammation, and boost tissue regeneration. Some companies are developing exosome-based supplements that could slow aging at the cellular level. They are amazing. Senolytics for pets. These are drugs that remove aging cells, helping organs stay youthful for longer. Think of it as spring cleaning for your pet's body. NAD plus and resveratrol. These compounds boost cellular energy and repair DNA damage. Some early trials show promising results in extending lifespan. These supplements and their impact on longevity is still under research and development, but the future of pet health is looking more brighter than ever. Okay, I know that not everyone can afford the futuristic treatments, but there are some simple longevity hacks that you can start right now to give your pet more time with you. Switch to fresh, high quality food and daily exercise, even for seniors. Cut out chemical-laden flea or tick treatments. And don't forget routine vet checkups and dental care. These small changes can add years to your pet's life. So, what do you think? Which tip surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. And I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and pet lovers. And I will definitely post some more videos, some interesting videos regarding the health and well-being of your pets and beloved ones. Have a good day and bye-bye.